In fact, with the going back to the BPO where we installed temperature and energy meters, using that data alone, they can now do predictive maintenance on the air conditioning.
Mm.
Yun.
Nice.
So, hindi mo kailangan papuntahan 4 times a year, which is scheduled. They can, by finding out, teka muna, tumataas na yung power consumption ko, same temperature. Baka madumi na yung aircon ko. Di ba?
Yeah.
Simple-simple, di ba? You're only talking of two parameters here. You're not even looking at the insides of the aircon yet. What
Mm-mm.
more kung marami ka pang masusukat inside? Mas marami
Right.
ka matututunan. Tapos feed mo sa AI. Ang dali na. But then, how will you feed the data into AI when you have to key in all the data right now? Hindi na uso
Exactly.
yan. IoT bridges the gap between uh, the IT solution and the real world.